Okay guys, I wanted to go through and try to answer a couple questions that I figured I would probably have about this activity before you guys even started, so that maybe that would make sure that there were no misconceptions, everybody understood what they needed to do. So first of all, this is a really fun activity. It's a math mystery. Now when you look over here, it is long. But before you start panicking, it's all over simplifying fractions. And this activity is not due today. If you looked on the calendar, you saw that I had purposely just put math for tomorrow as well, to show you that if you don't get done with this today, don't panic, that you are working on this tomorrow as well, okay? But some of you, actually most of you, will probably finish it today. All right, so I want to scroll to the top. Now you need to keep it in this view. Don't go to present mode, because if you go to present mode, then you won't be able to type things on the screen. Okay, so this is just the title page. And so here, this tells you about the case of the Shogun sword. So you need to go through and you need to read this because you are trying to solve a mystery. Now, if you're like me, I can't read that. I mean, I can, but I'm going to have to get really close to the screen and I'm going to have to squint. So you can go over here, click on the magnifying glass, and you can zoom. I'm just going to zoom to 100, and then I can scroll up and down, and I can easily read, okay? So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come back to this page often, okay? And if you've had me before, I know you've done these before, and maybe some of you guys have done these before too with other teachers. But so this page is your possible suspects. And basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to figure out you're trying to solve the crime, okay? Solve the mystery. So you have 6 columns here. You have the suspect, you have where they're hiding, you have which direction, you have what their profession is, you have their favorite food, and you have their motive. And a motive is like the reason they would do something, okay? So you're going to come back to this page often. All right. Now, on slide 4, we finally get to your first clue. And so you need to make sure that you read the directions at the top of each of your clue pages, because it's going to tell you what to do, and each page might be different. So this says, simplify reduce fractions, clue 1. Reveal an important clue by reducing or simplifying the fractions below to the lowest term possible. Use your answers to match and place the letters in the boxes to reveal the clue. Put the letter in every box that it matches your answer in. There may be more than one. The first one has been done for you. So for example, okay, down here, this is the first one that it's talking about. It has 9/30. Okay. Now I can reduce that because remember, when we reduce, we divide the numerator and denominator by the same number until we can't do that anymore. So here I can divide 9 by 3 and I get 3, and I divide 30 by 3 and I get 10. So I got 3/10. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to look for anywhere that there's 3/10, and there's one right here. Okay? So since 3/10 was for P, then I would go back and put a letter P here. And you're going to do that for the rest of them. And when you're done, this should tell you a clue. And if it doesn't make sense, then you've messed up. This is a way to self-check, okay? And it's going to tell you a clue about something. It's going to tell you, like, this will be when you go back to your possible suspects. It's going to tell you, like, where they're hiding or which direction they're going or profession or food. It's going to tell you something, and it's going to help you eliminate some suspects, okay? Now, when you're ready to eliminate suspects, if I were you, this would be what I would do. I would just go up here and click Insert, and then click Line, and Line, and I would just draw a line through. So let's say clue 1 eliminated Hattori Yoshinari, because it says that the person is not traveling east. And I'm like, okay, well, he's traveling east, so I know it can't be him. So I'm going to eliminate him, and I'm just going to put a line through there. Okay? And you're going to do that for all the people that you eliminate. And then you're going to go down to clue 2. You're going to read the directions, and you're going to do what it says, and then you're going to go back to your possible suspect list, and you're going to eliminate more people. All right? And then finally, when you get down here, and you have answered all 5 clues, you solved all 5 clues, and you've gone and eliminated all of them, there should be one person who's left there who you have not eliminated. That is when you're going to go fill out this paper, okay? You're going to put here who switched the Shogun sword. You're going to put the name of the suspect there, and then that will be when you turn it in, okay?